everyone, Mark from the Geek Church, and today we've got a product from Nextbase. We reviewed products from Nextbase before. They usually make these great dash cams, and this looks like another great dash cam. This one isn't from their 22 series, which I've done a lot of reviews on. This is the Piqo, and we're going to be opening this up, trying this out, and after this. Okay, like I said before, I reviewed Nextbase products before. The last time was quite a while ago. I actually did a trilogy with the 122, 222, and 322. And for that, I basically opened the box, and then I put it in my car, and then I drove away around with it, and you could see the footage. I want to do the same with this guy. But first, I need to get the plastic off. I didn't account for this. Okay, so we got it right here. Let's check out what we got inside of it. I gotta admit, I'm not really certain what to expect from this. One thing I never expected, and I'm not sure if this comes with every one, but this particular one, it came with this 32 gigabyte memory card, which of course you're gonna need if you're gonna record your footage. And it just was sort of like put in the back here. I don't know if I showed this here, but it was just kind of, I don't know if the company, because usually, in case you don't know, the company sends me these things and then I review them, and that's how I get these products here, in case you didn't know that. So sometimes it comes a little bit differently than, say, maybe you, if you wanted to purchase this, would get it. So make sure it comes with a 32 gigabyte card if you want this particular model here. But let's open up what we got here. Last time we saw them, we were at CES. Because honestly, that's where we see a lot of them. And I often see Nextbase in the automotive section. A section of CES that I usually don't go to, because there's not a lot I can really do as far as automotive is concerned. Nobody's going to send me a car to review. I wish they did. Kia, please, you really should have. But I've got your car out there that I had to buy with my own money. So anyway, so we got a few things. There's a sticker on here. Apparently there's for customers joining the Nextbase Road Safety Club. How nice. And there's also a few wipes, which we're probably going to need to mount this thing, because I'm going to guess how this mounts, and I think it'll be very easy. I've had ease in mounting these guys. They're pretty simple. Oh, hello. Okay, this looks like, actually, I thought this was the camera when I saw it, but it's not. It's actually the cord that you put it in here, and this is a USB-C to USB-C. And it comes with this, in case you got one of those things. Oh, hello. It's got like 2 ports in here, 2 USB-C ports. So you can plug in your phone too if you want. So you don't have to lose that port. Okay, that's great. All right, let's open up the camera itself. And there's even the little, oh, hello. There's actually a step 1, install the Piqo app. And then step 2, install the camera. And it looks like it gives you step-by-step instructions with a QR code, which I've been seeing a lot of lately. You guys watch the Super Bowl whenever it was on, whenever you're watching this, because I don't know when I'm going to get this out. Let's just say last week. A lot of QR codes on the ads here, and I'm kind of like, I don't really feel like, doing that, and, Okay, so, all right, let's open that. Okay, so let's check it out here. Ooh, hello. We got this thing. So this is, hey. Okay, I'm really liking this thing so far. And it's very small. Some of the ones I've used are kind of large. This one is designed just to kind of, you can tell what it's supposed to do. It just, oh, hello. Is there like cameras on both sides? Is this going to give like a front and back view? I don't know. Well, there's only one way to find out. We're going to have to put this on here. And you can see, well, actually, I don't know how long I've been holding it like this. Okay, see how this mounts here? See how this mounts? Trying to get a good, what do you call that? Thumbnail shot. Hey. All right. Anyway, the best thing I think I can do is just mount this thing, and let's see. Is this one thing I wanted to show was okay, because it's got some 3M adhesive. So what I believe happens is, yeah. How does this work here? Okay. I thought that what this was going to be was, let's see. I thought what this was going to be was like a thing that just kind of slides on there. And maybe it is, who knows. All right, we're gonna have to figure this out, how to do this. All right, but we will, okay. All right, let's just cut to the footage of me in my car. That just sounds good. Hey, okay, I don't know how well you can see me, but I'm actually in the car, and I've got the camera right here. Now all I gotta do is plug it in and get it to work. Should be pretty simple. Let's see. I need to plug it in with the USB-C. which is right here. So yeah, we're just going to do that. Hey everybody, I'm here in my editing room, and I've discovered that I didn't really make any footage kind of concluding this thing, and I really should have. But I want to make sure that you're given the price. There it is. And it's a pretty good camera, a dash cam, and I just found out that another dash cam from a different company is going to be sent to me soon. So we'll be able to do a little compare and contrast article there. For now, you've got enough to go on to make sure, like, if you really want to buy the Piqo, you can. And make sure to read our article because we'll have a lot more information there. For now, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.